Sometimes when people are lying, they will tell a story in the exact same way over and over, with no variation in terms of word choices or how they express themselves. And that's usually because it's something they have memorized as a lie. If people have to wait a long time to answer a very simple question, that can be an indication of a lie. Sometimes when people lie, they might be overly expressive with their denial of a head shake no or a head shake yes. Or they might use those words and they might be very definitive, like I absolutely never do that, or I always do that. There are very few things that we never do or always do. Some changes to look for when people are lying might be they might turn red, they might grow pale, they might start to shake a little bit or get jittery. They might become a little bit less coordinated because of that. They might drop things. They might stutter. And this doesn't mean that everyone who stutters is lying, absolutely. But if somebody usually doesn't and all of a sudden they do, that could be what that means because they're nervous about being found out. If you notice someone who blinks normally start to blink much more rapidly, that could mean that they're lying or they're very nervous. Or if they start to repeat an answer, like if you say, did you say this? And they say, yes, I did. Why not just one yes? But compare that to the way they normally communicate. One of the difficult things about trying to identify liars is that if a person believes in their own lies and they have no guilt whatsoever about them, there might not be many physiological changes that you can read through their body language. But that is not the norm for most people.